Mr. Moore, how are you today?
Very good. Feel good. Had a little work done on my boiler. The weather's kind of pretty nasty out there, so I said I better get on it and call a few companies, and I chose this company. And they responded well, very well. I'm pleased with it.
Well, tell me, how did you find Chatham Comfort Controls?
We went on the internet, and the company that we chose was the one from Chatham Controls. And the presentation that John made, who came out very professional, put on his. We have wood floors upstairs and all that sort of thing. All the furniture's wood, and he put on his shoes as his covers over his shoes. That impressed us. It was respect for us. So we went through the numbers. We run through what he had to offer. He gave a wonderful presentation. Gave me a time frame. He said it would be 1 day. That impressed us, and so we went with that company. I would recommend that company to any of the people in my circle, because I'm going to say, man, I got a new furnace. It's really, 2019 coming in with the new year, so we're very pleased with that company.
Mr. Moore, thank you very much for this review, and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you for responding. It's a great company.
Chatham Comfort Controls, heating and air conditioning, your Chicagoland authorized Dunkirk Boiler dealer, Peerless Boiler dealer, American Standard contractor. What you're looking at today is going to be the removal of an old Dunkirk PSB 140,000 BTU hot water boiler that's grossly oversized for normal Chicago bungalow. What we're going to be putting in today is going to be a new DUNKIRK DXL-100 100,000 BTU hot water boiler. New piping, new circulator pump, new flue, new expansion tank. 100% complete installation. ChathamComfortControls.com. You can also find us at localboilerinstallation.com. 773-842-4299. A+ rated with the BBB, multiple years of complaint-free awards. 2019, January 1st, we just achieved the 2018 BBB complaint-free award with over 150 installations for the year.
Thank you, sir.